original, the real thing. You mean action do it, action and plan. DeeprootsTV, you know what thing go? Yeah, big up.
Family, after my Prime Minister Andrew Holness, me I tell you say, him there on the Privy Council, me have to big him up. I'm like the approach. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, tells his constituents not to fear CCTV camera. Now, if I was the Prime Minister in our country with such criminal minds and dangerous people, I would be telling them to fear. Because when me catch you, me not ramp with you. But because bro God don't want to upset the bad man and woman, and he's looking re-election 2024 election, him a go round and a lie. Him tell us first of all, we're not going paperless, we're not going cashless, and we will have to. That's what this is all about. And second of all, him a tell a bad man them, say don't be afraid of the police camera. This man here is a drama. Me want enough to listen to him and listen to what he's saying. This is Prime Minister Holness, as he plead with the residents of the section of the West Central St. Andrew constituents not to fear the proposal installation of closed-circuit television camera, as it will save and protect them and ensure economic success for all. The camera will be positioned in such a way that they don't invade your privacy, but they will enhance your security, so everyone will benefit. Declare Holness lie. That is the first lie. I will be another added investment. It will be another added investment in the era following Thursday's commission of the concert walkway. Yeah, a McDonald Place, which are done by Caribbean Cement Company and cost approximately $8 million. Who did tell himself to go throw them $8 million worth of concrete? You know how much house that the ground bill? In his remark at the ceremony, Holness said that the walkway and the removal of the zinc fence will increase economic opportunity as well, because the entertainment industry will benefit from the walkway as well. In nothing that young men in the area are desirous for having a hip strip in the community. So compete with the Olympic way Holness announced. And he will be making more investment in the McDonald Place, including property lighting and construction of bench along the corridor and the installation of the CCTV camera. The announcement of the latter, however, appeared to have made some residents uneasy, with sort of no coming from some of them. In response to the uproar, Holness reiterated that the security camera will be pointed in place where it's not going to be spying on them. Once people know they can be safe in the area, more people gonna come to your party, more people gonna come to your dance. He assured the resident security is the basics of all economic success. So we don't want to see who will be dancing with who and other things, but we will certainly want to see who fired the shot, if a shot was fired, Holness said. Now people more have to know how I'm going to do that. Unless him just going to put it at the intersection, but me want to see who I dance with who. Me want to see when my gal gone out with my next crow. Yes, I do, don't you? More life and more joy, I'm telling the truth. Ladies, let me make you hear it. Gentlemen, let me make you hear what I say. Listen up to this.
The young men in the area would like to have a similar investment made to create a hip strip in Roden Crescent to compete with the hip strip on Olympic Way. I'm all for that. I am all for making investments where our young people will be able to use their creativity, use up their enterprise, and earn their resources lawfully. So I am going to be making some more investments in the area, certainly with regards to the installation of proper lighting, the installation of, along this corridor here, we will put in some benches to create a nice park feel. We'll put those in. And the installation of cameras. Now already there is a plan for this area to put in security cameras. Now I interpret the uproar in two ways. There are those who are very happy to hear that, and there are those who are not so happy to hear that. But I think that putting in place the cameras is better for everyone. And I tell you why. Once people know that you can be safe in the area, more people are going to come to your party. More people are going to come to your dance. Security is the basis of all economic success. So the cameras will be positioned in such a way that they don't invade your privacy, but they will enhance your security. So everyone will benefit. So we don't want to see who dancing with who and other things. But we would certainly want to see who fired the shot if a shot was fired. You agree? Of course. So you can position. We want to know who is fleeing from the dance if a shot was fired. But we don't necessarily need to see who is doing dirt or drift. The young men in the area.
All right, my family and friends. So, I want you to make me know if I just blow this money and blow smoke. Because, you see, him no want to tear off the constituents, them, you know. Meaning the people, them, when I era where I visit for him party. Him no want to tear off them. But I'm telling you, family and friends, that's what's coming. There's no way you are going to escape it. Biometrics are now rotted. Pay a camera. I mean, I'm telling you for about 3 years. Behavior modification. You are going to burn Babylon. But me also burn pagans. Me always burn wicked. Me also burn murderer. Me burn the evil Jamaicans. More life and more joy and more happiness. So we not ramping none of them. Nobody thinks it. Just because you're one of us, I'm going to leave you out. When you know I'm murder off the people them and kill off the youths them, and the people them scared to come outside, put up their camera, me want them all inside. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm more life and more joy, Rastafari soldier. Me have one jellyfish when me want you to look pan. Not gonna win.